Hi everyone, so today I might look a little bit not quite put together, and that's because I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows every single day. So my entire makeup is done. This is the Gingerbread palette, and I'm just so in love with the way my makeup looks. Not sure about this lip. I'm trying to do like a very fall theme, but that's besides the point. I'm going to show you all how I do my eyebrows. I really like the way I do my eyebrows. I think they look pretty good. This is with nothing in them, so I do have a decent amount of brow, you know, just naturally. I tweeze them occasionally just down here because, you know, sometimes you get a random brow hair like down here for some reason, but I don't do that much. I do feel like right now I feel like my face doesn't look quite done, so I do kind of a deep brow. I actually use an eyeshadow. I have tried brow pencils and brow gels and a lot of different things. My favorite's an eyeshadow. Now they make specific brow powders and you can obviously use that. I currently am using the shade Deep Brown from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but you can use any eyeshadow that matches your hair color. So obviously I have like a deep brown hair. Now make sure, you want to make sure it is the right tone, because a lot of browns look nice in the pan, but then when you put them on your eyes, they look really orange. So this is the Brow Gal by Tanya Brooks brow pencil, but you can see it's just really like a thin angled brow pencil. Brush, a thin angled brush and a spoolie. And I start here, right at the arch, and I just kind of go down. It's really not that hard, at least the way I do it. I don't know. I know some people will sit there and spend like 20 minutes on their brows, and I just don't understand that. Like, I don't know, maybe y'all don't like the way my brows look, and that's totally fine. That's your prerogative. Sorry, I need a little bit up close. I was trying to use just the viewfinder, but that wasn't really working. And I know people use two different colors. I don't. I just stay with the same color, and then I take the spoolie and kind of brush it all the way through. Occasionally I'll get some up there, and I can just wipe it away. It's not that hard. There we go. I just feel like that makes everything look so much more put together. I do want to put a little bit more right in there, right in the front. Like, you see what I'm saying? I feel like that just looks pretty natural. I don't really change the shape. This is the e.l.f. It's like one side's brow gel, one side's a clear mascara. I find that they pretty much work the exact same. I'm almost out, but I just use this to set everything, because sometimes, you know, you can get your brows not setting right. And there you go. I just feel like this looks so much more done than this side. So I'll do this other side really quick, just so you can see it again. Like I said, it's really nothing that major. I don't know, I'll just do it. I just feel like this is the best way for me to have my brows done really quickly, but still feel put together. So that's what I do. John and I tonight are going to see some like luminaries. I know it's like right around Diwali, which is the, if I am not mistaken, and I'm sorry if I am, the Indian Festival of Lights. And there's actually a Diwali thing tonight at my school. But at the zoo that we belong to, there are these like animal-shaped luminaries, and they have kind of a Cirque du Soleil aerial acrobats come in on the weekends, and they've had it for a long time, and this year is the last year they're doing it, so we want to go. There we go. And just check it out. So that's what we're going to do tonight. What do y'all think about this lip? I'm really not sure. It's the Lorac Beauty and the Beast lipstick in the shade Très Chic. I'm not sure. I don't know. But yeah, that is my entire brow routine. What, that took like 3 minutes? There you go. That's just what I do every day. Like I said, it's nothing super like severe or super hardcore. I know a lot of people do it differently than me, but that's what I do. I like it. I think it just works for my brows. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions, requests, suggestions, or comments, go ahead and leave those down below. And I'll just see you all soon. Bye.